The National Skills Test is a computer-based assessment that serves as the entry gateway to programs at the Tata Indian Institute of Skills, ensuring a fair and merit-based admission process. In this video, you will understand how to register for the National Skills Test. Let's begin. To register, log on to tataiis.org. On the home page, select NST. You will be taken to the National Skills Test page. You can go through all the details about the NST on this page. You can understand what happens after you clear the NST, find a program according to your qualification and aspiration, and you can find all the details about the programs that exist at Tata Indian Institute of Skills. You can know about how much it costs to register, and you can download the resources to help you get started with the NST. You can understand the 5 steps to reach your first day of training at the Tata Indian Institute of Skills. You can also hear directly from the learners who have cleared the NST, trained at Tata IIS, and stepped successfully into their careers. You can also understand what NST measures and how to prepare for NST. You can download all the details using the Download Brochure button. After reading through the information, select Register Now. Read the instructions carefully and select Close. Read the privacy notice and select I agree. Now, you can start filling in the registration details. The fields those are marked with the red star are mandatory fields. The mobile number and email address added here will be used for further communication. Read the declaration and select I agree. Enter the CAPTCHA code and select Generate OTP. You need to perform the CAPTCHA authentication by entering the CAPTCHA code displayed on your screen. If you have not received the OTP, you can resend the OTP using the Resend OTP button. Enter your OTP and select Validate OTP. Now, select Submit. Once you submit your information, it cannot be modified. Submit your information using the OK button. Select Complete Application to continue. Read the instructions and select Close. Now, let's start filling out the details. Add your date of birth, gender, father's name, mother's name, a parent's or guardian's contact number under the candidate's personal details. Select your nationality and category under Category Details. Under the qualification details, add your college or institute name, highest qualification, an aggregate percentage or CGPA. Based on your qualification, you will be able to select a program and course under the course details. You can select a note to know more about all the courses. Select Save and Next to continue. Enter your current and permanent addresses here. If both are same, answer the question as yes. Select Save and Next to continue. The next step is about the test city preferences. You have 2 options to select the test city. Next, select your preferred campus from the drop-down. And then select Save and Next to continue. Now, you are in the Document and Payment section. You need to add your photo to your application. Select the Click Here to Upload button. You can either capture a photo or upload a photo from your system. To click your picture, select the Click Here to Capture Photo button and click your picture. You can add a referral code in the referral code text box. Read all the declarations and tick the check boxes. You can preview your application using the Preview button. Add the CAPTCHA code present on the screen in the text box and select Submit. This will redirect you to the payment page. You can pay the fees using the UPI QR code or using your UPI ID or number. There is an option to pay with a card. You can pay using the net banking, and you can also pay using the wallet option from applications. Let's complete the payment by scanning the UPI QR code. Once you complete the payment, you will be redirected to the portal. Your application form is now successfully submitted. You can print your application or save your application as a PDF. Thank you for watching.